guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create and issue purchase orders from Clearbooks. To issue purchase order, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Purchase Orders. If you don't see Purchase Orders section here, you need to enable features like seeing or using purchase orders from Settings section here. Okay, let's go to Purchases, click on Purchase Orders. From here, click on Create Purchase Order. Now we are presented with a blank purchase order template which we need to fill in details. Firstly, if it's completely new supplier who requires purchase order, you can add new supplier contact by clicking on Add. I will select available supplier from my list below. So I have Materials Limited supplier. Date, select the date of this purchase order. Due date, if you want to change, you can amend it. Reference, if supplier have requested to quote some sort of reference, add it here, otherwise you can leave it blank. Theme, this is a template how purchase order will look like. You can, for example, change to purple color or dark blue. This is what Clearbooks provides. These are all templates. Okay. Next section is the main body of a purchase order. So even if you use stock, then you can select on items that you have added to your stock from drop-down list below. Otherwise, you just can start typing information in description section below. So for example, there is product 1 and select a cost code. In my case, this would go under cost of sales. Quantity, select a quantity for how much you want this purchase order to be valid for supplier. So for example, I have 10 at the price of 10.50. If you are a VAT registered business or you want to track a VAT information, apply VAT there. Otherwise, in my case, I'm not VAT registered business, I don't track VAT, I have selected no VAT. To add a new line, click on Add New Line, and you will be able to add additional product line if you wish to. And select correct code where you want to track costs once this purchase order will be converted to a bill. It's the same, I have 10 at the rate of 15. Okay. If you add another line and later you decide that you want to issue purchase order for only 2 lines, click on this cross and third line will be removed. If you need to add additional notes, add those in summary section. We can preview this purchase order before we actually post it on a system. This is how purchase order looks like. It will be purchase order number 8. If we want still amend details, we can close this preview and update details above. We can also save as a draft. In that case, you can come back later and update information and post on systems this purchase order. So in my case, I will click save as I want to send this purchase order out. So now purchase order under complete section number 8 have been provided here. Under manage option, I have still option to edit, print or download as PDF, get an online link. I can email, I can create a bill, make a copy, or also delete this purchase order. Quickest way to send out this to supplier or mark as sent by clicking this envelope. And if you want to send from Clearbooks, provide details below and click on send email. Otherwise, if you have sent by post or maybe hand delivered, select one of these options. So I will select hand delivered in my case. And this envelope has turned in blue. So in this episode, I showed you how you can create purchase orders on Clearbooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.